If you're seeing this on or near the Virgo New Moon, it's a signal. This lunar window is famous for clarity, order, and resetting your money energy. What you do in the next 24 to 48 hours can shape your September abundance. In the next minutes, I'll guide you through a simple but powerful wealth ritual to clear money blocks and manifest money fast, plus the mindset shift that keeps the flow going long after tonight. Why does the new moon in Virgo hit different? Virgo rules routines, systems, spreadsheets, the practical magic of life. Under this lunation, intention meets structure. So instead of vague hoping, we use clear steps. Think of tonight as a financial reset, a clean page for new numbers, new habits, and new opportunities. Grab 3 things: a small candle, any color, but white or green are classic for clarity and prosperity, a coin that feels lucky to you, and a blank paper plus a pen. Optional: a tiny bowl of sea salt for grounding and a glass of water to close the ritual. Before we start, place your feet on the floor. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Feel the noise drop. We're switching from anxious money thoughts to aligned wealth frequency. Light the candle. Whisper, I welcome clarity. I welcome order. I welcome abundance. Virgo New Moon isn't about drama, it's about clean signals. Keep your voice calm. Words are levers. Hold the coin in your dominant hand. Close your eyes. Imagine this single coin multiplying 1 becomes 10, 10 becomes a roll becomes a stack. See it moving into your wallet, your bank app, your hands. Feel the weight of enough. This isn't superstition, it's neural priming. Your brain hunts for what you rehearse. On the paper, write 1 money intention for September. Make it measurable and believable. $500 in additional income by September 30th, or paid off my $300 credit card, or 3 new clients at $200 each. The Virgo New Moon loves specifics. Under that goal, write 3 aligned actions you'll take this week. Example: list 1 item for sale, send 5 pitches, block 1 hour to reconcile spending. Manifestation plus structure is the winning combo tonight. Fold the paper toward you, pulling energy in, then place the coin on top. Hold both at heart level and say, I am open to wealth. I act with clarity. I receive with ease. Leave V. Paper and coin beside the candle for 7 minutes while we do the mindset work. Ask yourself 3 Virgo questions. What recurring expense or habit leaks money? Name it. What do I avoid because it feels messy? Invoices, budgeting, taxes? What's the smallest repeatable action that would change my month? Write 1 honest sentence beneath your goal. Owning the truth dissolves resistance. This is how you clear money blocks fast, not by shaming yourself, but by giving your energy a cleaner path to run on. For the next 7 days, keep the coin in your wallet. Each morning, touch it and repeat, I align with abundance today. Each night, do 1 of your micro actions. Short, consistent actions magnetize opportunities because your attention stays pointed at solutions. 3 mechanisms make this ritual potent under a new moon. Attention, your reticular activating system highlights pathways to your goal. Emotion, the candle, coin, and words create a felt sense of certainty. Emotion fuels memory and action. Repetition, 7 days turns a wish into a pattern. Virgo loves patterns. Students of this method report unexpected refunds, small raises, a new client from an old message thread, even a gift that covers a bill. None of that is guaranteed, but when you shift your story from I'm behind to I am open and organized, life tends to meet you there. Don't write 5 goals, write 1. Don't skip the micro actions. This isn't a lottery ticket. And don't check your manifestation like a seed you keep digging up. Water it, trust it, act, Repeat with me slowly. I choose clarity over chaos. I steward money with care. I am a magnet for aligned income. Bookmark this section and play it daily for the next week. Blow out the candle with gratitude. Place the folded papers somewhere safe: desk drawer, altar, or planner. Keep the coin with you all month. Each time you see it, breathe once and remember your goal. Now it's your turn. Comment the word reset plus your exact September money goal, like reset, increase $500 by September 30th. Declaring it publicly amplifies the intention and invites accountability. I read these and celebrate your wins in future videos. If you want more new moon rituals, retrograde protection, and practical steps to manifest money fast without burning out, subscribe and hit the bell. I post weekly spiritual finance guides. You can actually use clean, grounded, and effective. This Virgo new moon is a doorway. Step through with clarity, action, and faith. May your September be organized, prosperous, and lighter than last month. I'll see you in the comments and inside your results.